Hey, YouTube. It's your old buddy Dave, Alabama Floats. It's beautiful. Friday, almost noon. Had to go into work for a little while this morning, but got the rest of the day off, so it's cool, cloudy. No, actually, I started to say late October. It's November 4 or 5, early November. Anyway, on the creek, water's down. I'm gonna try to find some crappie today. Southern Paddler's paddling up the creek, gonna meet me. He's got the grill, some burgers. He's also got some butter and some tin foil so I can catch some panfish. We'll throw them throw them bad boys on the fire. Do a little catch and cook. We'll see. You never know what the creek's gonna give you. So we'll stay tuned, see what happens. Oh yeah. Well, I ain't too optimistic about catching fish, to be honest. It's I don't know, man. The water's just so weird.
Yeah, with the you got a I don't know about a temperature drop, but it was pretty cool last night.
Yeah. Oh, I take it back. Look at it. Wow, look at that. I spoke too soon, but look at a little bass. Hey, what's up, little buddy? A little spot. There you go. Prove me wrong, brother. I appreciate you. I just need some crappie to go in the frying pan. Wait a second. That's a largemouth. And got a solid lateral line right there on the tail. Got a good dip between the dorsal fins. Yeah, I declare you a largemouth. Thanks, buddy. All right, so maybe they're biting after all. I mean, dadgum, 12:30 in the afternoon. That's not bad. All right, YouTube. The old catch and cook ain't looking too good. The TVA's got the water way down out here at the creek. It's like 3 foot lower than I ever seen it. So luckily old Southern Paddler paddled upstream and got us some grub. Check this out. If I can find what I'm doing on the reverse camera. Got us a couple of burgers, a couple of sausages, some stuffed mushrooms on the grill. Got a little campfire going, and I just breathe the smoke. So it's all good, y'all. Beautiful day. We're gonna enjoy it, hang out, head on back to the house here in a little while. All right, YouTube, burgers are done. Southern Paddler knocked the horns off and walked it by the fire. It's not mooing, so we're gonna eat it. Sure is a pretty day though. A little breeze, 50 degrees. As John McNair would say, tough to beat.
Yep.
All right, YouTube. We're about to call it a day. Fishing didn't really pan out like I hoped it would, but you know, it's all good. Beautiful day. Had us a little fire. Southern Paddler cooked us up some grub. Not a bad way to spend a Friday off work, y'all. I'm gonna be honest with you. Weather's perfect. Get outside and enjoy it before it gets too cold. Appreciate you checking in. We'll see y'all on the next trip.